Today's content title is iPhone 15 Pro v iPhone 13 Pro. Should you upgrade? The launch of the iPhone 15 Pro series featured notable design alterations such as the introduction of a titanium body for the first time. Enhancements include upgraded camera capabilities, a second-generation ultra-wideband chip, and the incorporation of the new 3nm A17 Pro chip. Although these advancements are noteworthy, individuals may not deem them compelling reasons to switch from the iPhone 14 Pro. However, let's take a look at the iPhone 13 Pro. When contrasting the 2023 iPhone 15 Pro with its 2021 counterpart, the iPhone 13 Pro, the variations are notably extensive. Whether these disparities warrant a transition largely depends on whether you stand to gain from them and are prepared to invest in the upgrade. If you are new YouTube channel, like video and subscribe it. If you're considering buying an iPhone 15 Pro but are uncertain whether it justifies an upgrade from your existing iPhone 13 Pro, I'm here to assist you. YouTube channel is Design Dynamo Den. iPhone 15 Pro vs iPhone 13 Pro, specs. Comparison of iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro, design and display. Upon initial inspection, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro may appear similar, but a notable contrast lies in their construction materials. The iPhone 15 Pro features a brushed titanium build, while the iPhone 13 Pro utilizes stainless steel. This alteration results in the iPhone 15 Pro sporting subtle rounded edges, enhancing its ergonomic feel. Furthermore, the shift to titanium has trimmed the phone's weight from 204 grams to 187 grams. As highlighted in our iPhone 15 Pro review, this leads to a more comfortable grip, even for users who opt not to use a case. On this channel, more content is available related to technology, websites, Android, iPhone, and much more, so must visit the content and get new era information. While the newer model has received several display enhancements, none stand out as particularly significant. Both the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro feature a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, maintaining the same pixel density of 460 ppi. However, the iPhone 15 Pro does offer a slightly higher resolution of 2556 by 1179 pixels at 460 ppi, in contrast to the iPhone 13 Pro's 2532 by 1170 pixels. The YouTube channel is Design Dynamo Den. The most significant alteration in the display realm is the iPhone 15 Pro's peak outdoor brightness, which can reach 2000 nits, whereas the older model peaks at 1200 nits. Both models retain the remarkably durable ceramic front, which Apple asserts is tougher than any smartphone glass. Upon observation, I found that content on the iPhone 15 Pro screen is presented with remarkably realistic and vivid colors, while text appears sharp and clear, and scrolling is exceptionally smooth. iPhone 15 Pro vs iPhone 13 Pro, performance and battery. While it might be expected that iPhones should last a full day between charges, this isn't always the case with iPhone Pro models. In contrast, the last three iPhone Pro Max models, including the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, have offered up to 29 hours between charges. However, there's been a modest change between the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro. The older model promises 22 hours of video playback compared to 23 hours for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. Both provide 75 hours of audio playback. On the top, you can see the WordPress design tutorial video to learn more about it. The iPhone 15 Pro is equipped with a 3274 mAh battery, while the iPhone 13 Pro has a 3095 mAh cell. Charging speeds remain consistent between the 2021 and 2023 iPhone models. With a 20W adapter or higher, a 50% charge can be achieved in 30 minutes. Both models support MagSafe and Q1 wireless charging, while the iPhone 15 Pro, once certified, will also support the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. Upon the release of the iPhone 15 Pro series, some early adopters reported issues such as overheating during setup and inferior battery life compared to the iPhone 14 Pro series. However, subsequent software updates have addressed these problems. It's worth noting that previous iPhone models have also received battery improvements through software updates, so further enhancements may be expected in the future. YouTube channel is Design Dynamo Den. Like video, subscribe to YouTube channel. iPhone 15 Pro versus iPhone 13 Pro, should you upgrade? If you're contemplating upgrading from a highly capable iPhone 14 Pro to an iPhone 15 Pro, we recommend holding off on the upgrade for now. However, if you're considering transitioning from the iPhone 13 Pro, it's certainly worth closer consideration. The A17 Pro chip, new camera features, and the switch from stainless steel to titanium make upgrading a compelling option this time around. Another notable addition is the introduction of a USB-C port, which streamlines connectivity, leading to faster data transfer speeds and enhanced workflows for professionals. That being said, it's important to acknowledge that the iPhone 13 Pro remains an excellent device, even after being on the market for over 3 years. It offers comparable battery life to the iPhone 15 Pro and boasts a superb camera system. Therefore, if you're content with your current Lightning connection, it might be prudent to wait until next year before considering an upgrade.